Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon near the subscribe button so that you get the notifications of my latest videos. And do not forget to like and share the video. Today we will be solving the questions on page 184, the in-text questions from this page. And we will be solving only question number 1 and 3 in this video. In my upcoming video, I will solve question number 2 for you all. The first question is, define one diopter of power of a lens. So you have to give the definition of what is one diopter power of a lens, okay? So the answer or the definition is, one diopter is the power of the lens whose focal length is 1 meter. If the focal length of the lens is 1 meter, then the power will be 1 diopter. Then you write the equation, 1 diopter is equal to 1 m to the power minus 1. Here it means meter. M means meter over here, okay? Because we know that power, what is the formula of power? 1 by f. Power is reciprocal of focal length when focal length is in meters. Now, when the focal length is 1 meter, we should write like this. This is 1 meter, right? 1 meter. Now, this has become, this power is 1 diopter, okay? That is what we have written here, 1d, that means diopter is this. Because here, the power of m is 1. But when it goes up, it becomes minus 1. So that is how we have got this equation. Okay, now we move on to the third question on page number 184. Again, it's a question based on power of a lens. The question is, find the power of a concave lens of focal length meter. So what is given in the question? We have a concave lens. The lens is specified. It is a concave lens. Then another thing is given. Another value is given. The value of the focal length. It is 2 meter. So I write f, which means focal length is equal to minus 2 meter. Why have I specified this negative sign over here? Because the lens given is concave and the focal length of concave lenses are always negative. Now we know that power of lens is reciprocal of the focal length. This is the formula. Just apply the formula. What is f? Minus 2. 1 by minus 2. Okay. Or you can write like this also. Instead of writing this, you can write like this. Write the minus over here. And this is equal to minus 0.5 what? Diopter. Do not forget to mention the SI unit over here. Otherwise, your mark will be deducted. So, we have got the power of lens. The power of the concave lens is minus 0.5 diopters. So, that's all in this video. In our upcoming videos, we'll be solving question number 2 and exercises from this chapter. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section, or if you want me to make any video from any chapter or on any topic, just mention in the comment section.